Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for many of us here in the Coachella Valley. How do we keep our homes cool and comfortable amidst the blistering desert heat? Well, get ready because we've got some amazing tips and tricks for you. Windows can be real troublemakers when it comes to heat gain in desert climates like ours. But fear not. There are ways to tackle this issue head-on and keep your home cool. Let's start by talking about window coverings. One popular solution is the mighty blackout curtains. Not only do they block out nearly all incoming light, but they also work wonders in insulating your home against heat gain during peak sunlight hours. It's like a double shield against the scorching sun without overworking your air conditioning system. If blackout curtains aren't quite your style, there are other options to consider. Solar films, for example, adhere directly to the window glass, blocking harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to brighten up your space. And let's not forget about roll-down shades. They offer adjustable sun coverage, are easy to install, and come in various materials to match your personal style. And don't underestimate the power of simply closing your blinds during those peak sunlight hours. It can significantly reduce the indoor temperature and help you maintain a cooler environment inside. Remember, every bit counts when it comes to managing internal temperatures effectively and ensuring comfortable living spaces year-round. Let's move on to another cool topic: ceiling fans. Contrary to popular belief, ceiling fans aren't designed to reduce the room temperature. Instead, they're fantastic at circulating cool air more effectively. Here's how they can help. Ceiling fans work their magic by creating a wind chill effect on your skin, making you feel cooler. This efficient circulation of cool air can make a significant difference, especially during those scorching hot days. So, how can you use ceiling fans effectively? Well, first, make sure your fan is set to rotate counterclockwise during warmer months. This pushes cool air down and creates a refreshing breeze. And remember, the hotter it is outside, the faster your fan should spin to effectively distribute that cool air throughout your home. Also, don't forget to synchronize your ceiling fan usage with your AC system. Use them together for optimal results. But when there's nobody around to feel their effects, don't forget to switch off the fan. We want to be smart about our energy consumption too. Now that we have our windows covered and our ceiling fans spinning, let's talk about reducing heat gain from appliances and activities. This is an important aspect to keep in mind when striving for a cooler home. Household appliances like ovens, stoves, dishwashers, and dryers can generate significant amounts of heat when in operation. Using them during peak sunlight hours can cause your indoor temperature to rise dramatically, making your AC work harder and increasing energy consumption. So, try to schedule these tasks for cooler times of the day. Here's a simple yet effective tip: consider hanging your clothes outside to dry instead of relying on a dryer. Not only will you save on energy costs, but you'll also keep your home cooler. By harnessing the natural warmth and airflow, outdoor drying can efficiently dry your clothes without adding any extra thermal load inside your home. It's a win-win situation for both your comfort and the environment. And let's not forget about the little things that can make a big difference. Switching off lights when not needed and unplugging electronics that are not in use, they all contribute to maintaining lower temperatures and reducing unnecessary heat buildup. It's amazing how those small actions can add up to a cooler living space. So, now that you have some fantastic strategies to combat the desert heat and keep your home cool, we encourage you to take action. If you need any assistance or have further questions, don't hesitate to contact the experts at Anthem. We're here to help you optimize your home's cooling and ensure your comfort throughout the year. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips on Desert HVAC and keeping your Coachella Valley home cool helpful. Visit our website for more tips. And remember, with the right window coverings, effective use of ceiling fans, and minimizing heat gain from appliances and activities, you can create a comfortable sanctuary in the midst of the desert's scorching heat. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to contact Anthem at 760-895-2621 to get personalized assistance for your cooling needs. Thanks for watching, and stay cool, everyone!